Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Digital Masterni. This is Anam. I hope you all are fit and fine. This particular video is neither about pre-primary education nor a grammar lesson. Rather, I will be sharing one of my initial poetic compositions with you all. So let's start. Hey, but before starting, please subscribe to my channel if you have not, or if you are new here. Also, hit that bell icon to never miss an update. So guys, this poetic composition is from my college days, and I wrote this poem for my mother back in 2015 I guess, and it was published in my college magazine as well. During college days, writing used to be my hobby, but since I started teaching, this hobby was left behind somewhere. Since today is Mother's Day, so I thought of sharing it with you all. There may be mistakes in this poem, maybe rhyming scheme and poetic technique is not as accurate as it should be, because it is a composition written by a student. But still, it is very close to my heart, so pardon the flaws, please. So let's start. To be a mother is not an easy task, yet you do it proudly no matter what is asked. You were always there for me since the very beginning, saved me countless tears. The sincere and wise advice you gave will carry me through years. You put no limits on my dreams or anything I wish to do. You never forget to say you care or that you love me too. I remember the smile and tears upon your face when something I achieved. It provided a kind of strength to my heart that you would never believe. You have always done a lot for me, and my whole life is not enough to repay you. We always put our disagreements to the side, and you managed to make it through. I know that my teen years have driven you crazy, but you have guided me with assurance along the way. You have given me comfort, which certainly, with every breath, I enjoyed every day. Your little girl is growing up, but your baby girl will remain deep inside me. There are not enough words that can thank you for everything you have emotionally and physically done for me. But still, thanks a lot, Mom, for guiding me towards the proper way. I will always think for what you have done, but I know that I can never repay. Thank you guys for listening till the end. Please hit the bell icon